This is one of the best TradingView indicators. For this, go to tradingview.com, click on Indicators, type Volatility Stop MTF, that is Multi-Timeframe. As soon as you type, you will see an option from TradingView. Click on the first option on the same indicator. As soon as you double-click, you will see the setting on the indicator. You just have to make one change. Make the ATR factor 2.5. As soon as you do, you have to click OK. If we talk about the time frame, for intraday, 15 minutes time frame. This indicator, volatility stop, you have to use it like support and resistance, not like buy or sell signal. Volatility stop is very good. It also works as support, and it also works as resistance. You get very big moves from here, and you have to trade it only when the chart is clear. And you have to keep stop loss below the support candle and above the resistance candle, and you can easily take target.